Bad credit payday loans. Why you can borrow cash even if you have bad credit. Whether you are in need of cash because of a family emergency or that you need cash to pay for your bills that you forgot about, then you know that it can be quite frustrating if you realize that it's still a couple of weeks more of work to salary day. Now, what if you need the cash right then and there? The answer to this is by taking out a loan. However, what if you have a bad credit? Surely, lenders wouldn't even think twice rejecting your application just because of your credit score. But, with payday loans, you can be sure that you will be able to get the money you need or get approved of the loan even if you have bad credit. Basically, in this kind of loan, there is very little risk for the part of the lender. Even if you have bad credit, they are sure that you will pay them back on your next payday. The reason for this is that you will already give them post-dated checks to repay your loan. Now, when the next payday arrives, the amount of the loan will be automatically deducted from your salary. In most cases, lenders will not even check your credit score when they are approving you of the loan. Also, applying for this type of loan is very easy. You don't even need to present documents that you normally need when applying for other types of loans, but all you need to do is fill out an application form for the loan and wait 2 to 3 days for the approval. After that time, you will be able to get the money in your bank account. Qualifying for payday loans is not that hard. You don't even need to have a good credit score due to so. And, you don't need a bunch of documents to present to the lender. Whether you have a good credit or a bad credit rating, you can be sure that lenders will still be able to let you borrow the cash you need with payday loans. Another great thing about payday loans is that it also offers flexible repayment plans. If you can't repay the entire loan on your next payday, then you can still do so on the next one. This is how flexible payday loans are. However, the only thing about payday loans is that because there is no collateral, the amount is often limited. The lender will try asking you how much money you earn on your salary. Then, they will base on this to determine how much money they will be able to lend you. Having a bad credit score can be financially frustrating. Few lenders will even think of lending you money. You have to consider that by having a bad credit score, the lender sees you as a great risk that will unlikely pay the loan in time. However, with payday loans, you can be sure that you will be able to get lenders to let you borrow some cash for them. The fact that they have security means that there is little risk involved in letting you borrow money. So, the next time you are in financial need, you might want to consider getting this type of loan. With this loan, you will see that approval is easy even if you have bad credit, and repayment is also easy.